Expert reveals top 4 juices for your vision and memory. Do your eyes feel tired all the time? Do you forget things easily or feel mentally slow? When if I tell you the simple juices made at home can sharpen your eyesight and boost your memory naturally. No expensive supplement, no chemicals, just powerful natural juice baked by nutrients expert. Today an expert reveals the top 4 juices that can truly revolutionize your vision and brain health. Watch till the end because juice number 4 is a game changer. Juice number 1, carrots orange juice for sharp eyes. Let's start it with the most powerful juice for eyesight. Carrot and orange juice. Carrot are rich in beta carotene which converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for clear vision, night vision, prevent eye dryness. Orange add vitamin C which protects the eyes from damage and spoiled eye muscles. Benefits: improve eyesight, reduce eye strain, help with blurry vision, supports healthy retina. How to make 2 fresh carrots, 1 orange, half cup water. Blend well and drink fresh. Best time to drink morning empty stomach. Juice number 2, beetroot apple juice for memory and focus. Now let's talk about brain power. Beetroot apple juice. Beetroot increases blood flow to the brain which improves memory and concentrations. Apple adds natural antioxidant that protect brain cells. This juice is excellent for students, office workers, anyone with weak memory. Benefits: improves memory, boost focus and concentrations, reduce mental fatigue, supports brain's oxygen supply. How to make 1 small beetroot, 1 apple, half cup water. Blend and strain if needed. Best time to drink morning or before studying. Juice number 3, Spanish cucumber juice for eye protections. This green juice is a hidden secret for eye health. Spanish and cucumber juice. Spanish contain lutein and zeaxanthin which protect eye for blue light damage caused by mobile phones and screens. Cucumber hydrate the body and reduce eye dryness. Benefits: protect eye from screen damage, reduce dark circles, keeps eye fresh and hydrated. Slow age related vision problem. How to make 1 cup Spanish leaves, 1 cucumber, lemon drops for taste. Blend and drink fresh. Best time to drink afternoon or evening. Juice number 4, blueberry banana juice for brain and eyes. This is the most powerful juice on the list. Blueberry banana juice. Blueberry are known as brain berries. They improve memory, learnings, and protect the brain from aging. Banana provides natural energies and supports nerves functions. Benefits: improve memory and learning, strengths brain signals, protect eyesight, reduce brain fog. How to make half cup blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup milk or almond milk. Blend until smooth. Best time to drink morning or as a healthy snack. Important tips: always drink juice fresh. Do not add sugars. Consistency is key. Drink daily. Combine juices with a healthy diet. Limit screen times for best eye results. Your eye and brain need daily nutrients, not expensive medicines. These 4 expert proved juice can naturally improve visions, sharpen memory, boost brain powers, protect your eye for the future. Start today and your body will thank you.